right, this is from String Builder, number 18, Sailing Above the Clouds, where you have to be careful that you're watching all the tips and suggestions they're giving to you about what string you're on and what position you're on. So pay attention as we go through. This is going to be quite slow. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, and now your second position, and back to second position, extension, first position, second position, extension, first position. Now let's go over this again. The second line, you have half step 1, now you extend, and then you cross over to the A string, staying in position. And now we're back in first. Second position. And I'm going to repeat. Here's the beginning. Second position, first position, and second. Extension, second line, second position, crossover, first position, and second, and third line. Second position, first, second, stay there. Now we're going to repeat. First position,